In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 69 by 4 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 6. We know that 4 times 1 is 4. Subtract, we get 2. Now 2 is smaller than 4. That is why we will bring down this number 9 here. Now 4 times 7 is 28. Subtract, we get 1. Now 1 is less than 4, but we have no number to bring down here. So we will borrow 1 0, and for that we need to put a decimal here. Now 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract, we get 2. Now 2 is less than 4, so we will again borrow 1 0. And we know that 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract, we get 0. As we have obtained the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 69 divided by 4 is equal to 17.25, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.